Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing some bracelets that I think I'm gonna sell them for like $5.50. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. So what I'm going for first is these right here. So all of these, whatever ones I pick to do the $5.50. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get started on these bracelets. How's y'all doing today? Me, I'm doing fine. How about yourselves? If I can get these things on, these junk rings on here, it would be great. But I'm gonna go ahead and get offline because, well, off camera because it was hard to put the junk ring in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'll probably do some off of camera, then do some on camera. I don't know yet, but get started on what I don't know if I want to put some junk rings in between or not. So probably do a little pink because I got pink in there. So we're gonna see how that looks. Let me see. Probably put like this and we're gonna do some more. We're gonna get to the blue, and then we're gonna put this on here, the charm, and then we're gonna do blue, and then this color, and so far and so forth. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Ain't want all that string. Let's see. I would make 2 bracelets with this, but I'm not gonna do it like that. I don't think I'm gonna do it like that this time. It's just gonna be one. And this is what we have. This is cute. Have it like this. I think it's cute. So this is one. What I'm doing is matching the colors. I took these out and I think I'm gonna put, let me see, yeah, this color blue on there. This color. to match with this right here. Yep. And then let me see if I have any black, and I do. We're gonna have to do black spacers. So we're gonna put the pink ones up, and we're gonna do the black. These jump rings are so hard to get on this thing, but we're gonna go on with the blue and the rest of the colors. But yeah, them jump rings is hard to get on there, and it messes up my jump ring. Like what? I might do big beads too with this. Not with this, but with the other ones. I'll probably do big beads with it. I'll slide it on there. And but what I'm going to do is I'll be back. I don't want my storage to run out. Been doing good, but you know, but I'll be back. There you go, this one. So we have these right here. I'm gonna see what I think I'm gonna do. Bling kind of clear. Put the black ones up. Just messing to see what it looks like. And so far, it looks alright. So, I'm gonna close it on up. But I'm gonna do something off of camera and then come back. And then when I do that, I'm gonna show y'all what I came up with the other ones. So I will be back. So here goes this one right here. But I'll be back. Okay, so we're doing, I got a few made. I'm just showing y'all some of them because I haven't forgot about y'all. I'm just worrying about my storage and how it's gonna be. But this is what I'm getting right here. Make sure y'all still because it did go off for a bit. And I put, this is what I got going on right here with this one. We're gonna put another spacer and all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna do one more on camera, probably half of it. Like I'm gonna do this one, then come back and show y'all what all I did. And again, these is $5.50. Okay, so this is the last one that I will be doing. Okay, then probably tomorrow I'll do some more. But I don't know. It depends on how they sell. And if they sell good, I come back with some more of these. Gotta get some more spacers out. But I'll come back and show you all of them together. Okay, so here go one. Here's the other one. Here's the other one. We got this one. Then this one. We got this one. And then this one. So these will be on my website soon. Then I have more I have to do, which is these right here. But I'm not going to do them yet. Like I said, I'm going to see how these right here do. And then I make more. But I got 7 of these. I made 7. Hold on. Yeah, I made 7 of these. So, yeah. So this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.